I think there's this idea that you show up to the office or your desk and you're expected to be head down and super productive for 8 hours straight or more. But Professor Mark says that is not how we humans really operate.
Decades of research in the laboratory show that when people are shifting their attention fast, which essentially is multitasking, it's associated with higher stress. Another consequence is that we know that people make more errors. One last consequence is it takes people longer to do something.
The idea of multitasking leading to happy efficiency is not true. You're neither more efficient nor are you more happy. You're more stressed, it sounds like. But here's the problem. Multitasking is such a huge part of how we're all expected to work and live these days. It becomes a necessity. So what to do? What can people do to help them create a more attentive brain?
So many things we do on our devices are automatic. We see the image of our phone and we grab it without thinking. We see an email notification, we immediately switch to email. The idea is to become aware of these unconscious actions, to raise them to a conscious awareness. We can form a plan. For example, okay, I'm going to work 20 more minutes on this, or I'm going to work through to the end of this chapter, and then I'm going to take a break. Another technique is to practice forethought. What makes the most sense to me is to imagine my future self at the end of the day. So where do I want to be at 7 p.m.? I want to be relaxing. The more concrete of a visualization we can have about our future self, the better we are able to have control over our attention currently. The other thing is that we need to reframe how we think about scheduling our day, being proactive and designing the tasks that you have to do based on what your own personal rhythm is for when you're at your best, at your peak focus, and save those times for doing those tasks that require the hardest work and the most creative energy.